Today I'm gonna show you how to make any frame immortal. Step 1. Pick a frame that has shields, for example Necros. Step 2. Make their shields above a certain value. I don't remember the exact value, but I'll put it on the screen. Step 3. Go to the Archon shards. Put a few of these. 1 or 2 should be fine. Maybe 1 tau, 1 not tau, whatever suits you. Step 4. Pick a gun that can proc some blast. High status chance, high multi-shot, possibly a radial attack if you want. I find the Cedo really nice for this. Here is the build. Now, here is the build working in Steel Path. As you can see, my shields are constantly up. If you need to have shields up in Disruption or something, I'd recommend something like the Epitaph or the Nucor to gain shield gating, even if it's just one enemy in front of you.